Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday, the 4th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's market. All the action was pretty much local. We saw our retail sales number take an unexpected dip as the number came in at negative 0.1% compared to the 0.2% forecast. However, the current account surplus hit the highest levels in 44 years yesterday, and the Reserve Bank did make it very clear that despite China's troubles, that they were in no rush to ease interest rates again. The interest rates remained unchanged yesterday. The RBA also did say that they will ease further if needed, but in the same statement they highlighted that the recovery in the housing market indicated the stability that housing will support spending. So there you have it. Overall, Aussie dollar did quite well yesterday as it jumped up against the US dollar. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday, so let us now take a look at our chart of the day. Yesterday's chart of the day broke in the downward direction. It was the Euro CAD and then recovered later. So essentially we still have the possibility to take that as a double bottom. Go back and look at it. I've still got it in my hot list, and if it does resurface as a setup, I will show it. So that was yesterday's. But this morning what I have found is the Euro USD, and there's a couple of things that I want to highlight for you on this particular chart. If we take a look, I've drawn in two trend lines. The first one, let's focus on the bottom one. We've found a point here, and we are at this level right now. Okay, so when I draw trend lines, these are technically the correct spots. They are the most significant lowest points for this trend line. However, I also note that if I did not zoom in as far back as I have, I could have also found these levels here, and this is just an opportunity to basically highlight that these ones that I'm pointing at right now would technically not be the correct ones. It definitely is. This is the correct one, and this one over there. And the main thing that I want to show you is that both of them are converging on this level over here. So in effect, it was just an opportunity for me to highlight something to you. So I will work off, it doesn't really matter in this case because they're both coming onto the same level, but what I'm going to do is, if I zoom in a little bit closer, and this is the converging point that I'm showing you again at this level here. What I'm looking for now is some kind of price action reversal pattern to occur, and then my trade will be set and ready to go. Now, since I've got this little long tail candle in the middle here, the little small one here is this morning's, well, it's only about an hour into it. If this was to set up something like this, then all these three candles would be a reversal pattern, and then tomorrow morning we'll be ready to take that trade as such. So let's see, we're nearly there. We need to wait to see how this last candle forms, and we may have our setup in the morning. Okay, so there you have it. Our chart of the day this morning is the Euro USD on a daily time scale. What's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? We have at 11:30 locally, our GDP number is due out. Then at 10:30 this evening from Canada, we have the trade balance number. At 11:15 from the UK, the inflation report hearings, and again at midnight from Canada, the Bank of Canada, the rate statement decision, and the rate itself with that statement that follows it. So any Canadian dollar traders, it's a big night for the CAD. Just look out for those. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.